Hey guys, welcome back. Carl again. Today I want to talk about my Harley Street 750 with the modified exhaust. This is a factory muffler, and I went ahead and took the complete inside baffle out. I then cut the pipe, and if you notice here on the back, I still have the factory look. After I cut this off and removed all the innards, I put it back on and re-welded it and then repainted it. So it has a completely different sound. Here's the before. Start up. And then here's the after. So the before was factory, and then the after was obviously right after I took the baffle out. So today what I'm going to do is just kind of drive somewhat normally, pulling off of the parking spot here, and then I'll go down, turn around, and come back down so you can hear kind of what it sounds like. Okay, also just a quick note, all the videos from these films have been filmed on my Samsung Galaxy S4. So the original exhaust clip, as well as the modified exhaust, I've went ahead and just used my Galaxy S4 for this. I haven't used any other camera. So now you had kind of a listen to what it sounds like. However, that was at the end of the driveway, which is probably 30 feet off of the street. I've actually moved you right to the end of the road. So now what I'll do is I'll go down the street here, and you can see there's a intersection right there. And I'll go ahead and go up there, do a quick little U-turn, and come down from a stop. And you should be able to hear me go from first to second gear. I'll go down to the other end of the road, turn around, and then come back up into the driveway. So you can kind of hear what it sounds like accelerating. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Again, if this video was of any help to you, please hit that thumbs up button down there. It really helps out a lot. And Peyton, if you're watching, thanks for watching. As always, leave a comment down below. I really appreciate it. It helps out a lot. Thanks again.